Well, here you go. A good example of watch where you park. This is, believe it or not, only about 25% of what was left on my car one morning. I didn't think until after I'd started cleaning the other side that I should take a few pictures of this. But the other side had this on it from the front all the way to the back. And all I had a bottle of Windex and some paper towels, and that didn't do anything but just turn that into a liquid like whitewash and messed the thing up even worse. So I took it to one of those drive-through car washes and got some of it cleaned off, but that car wash wasn't very good. But anyway, watch where you park, and because there's no telling what kind of mess you're going to get in. And here's the culprit right here. I'm not sure exactly which species of owl that is. I've looked it up and I'm going with barn owl. But that sucker can sure eat and it can sure crap. But anyway, before you park somewhere, make sure you keep your mouth closed and look up to see if there's any place that some bird might sit, because that can really make a mess.